Welcome to our channel once again, my friends. Realize Guyana, home of all the traditional Guyanese recipes. Today we're going to be doing another traditional recipe, and that's pumpkin pone. Just like you have cassava pone, there is pumpkin pone as well. I'm pretty sure a lot of you have never even heard of that. And you're going to see it here today on our channel, Realize Guyana. Today we're doing that. So for this recipe, we need the following ingredients before you. We're going to be using some grated pumpkin, grated coconut, butter, cornmeal, sugar, cinnamon powder, mixed spice, ground nutmeg, salt. We're going to be using about 1/4 teaspoon of salt in this recipe, and 1 tablespoon of vanilla essence. We are using mixed essence in this case because we don't have vanilla. So if you have vanilla, use vanilla. And that's about all the ingredients you need for this recipe, guys. So let's get started. So first thing first, we're going to break our coconut. I'll go grate that to start with. And the coconut is good. Thank God it's not rotten. Alright guys, so we're going to grate our coconut to begin with here. The old-fashioned way on the sit-down grater, as you can see. So we're going to get our pumpkin ready now as well, guys. We're going to go grate our pumpkin as well. So this piece should give us about a cup and a half, I think we need. So as I'm grating this pumpkin here now, I remember pumpkin and shrimp. Fried pumpkin and shrimp. When last you had some fried pumpkin and shrimp with some nice hot roti? Huh? Can you imagine the taste of that right now? All of that you can find right here on Realize Guyana, my friends. Hundreds of recipes on our channel here. So we're gonna grate this out, guys. And we're gonna continue. Alright my friends, so we have our coconut and our pumpkin grated. So we are ready to move on now. So that's a cup and a half pumpkin and 1 cup of grated coconut. That's all you need for this recipe. So now that we have all our stuff ready together, we're gonna start mixing. Pumpkin and coconut. Now we're gonna add our spices, our grated spices. So all the ingredients with measurements are going to be listed below the video in the description box, as with all of our other videos. Alright? So that was the cornmeal, the butter. Now we're going to add the essence. So we're going to add our essence now. And as I said, you need just about 1/4 teaspoon of salt for this. Not a lot. So you're going to mix this well now. Make sure everything is mixed in, distributed. So this is not a big batch we are making here, guys. If you want to make, you can easily double up this recipe. Just double up everything, all the ingredients, if you would like to do so. And it will work. Good, so we're going to grease our pan and put our mixture in there, our pumpkin pone in there. So we've greased our pan and we're gonna add our pone mixture into there now. So this pan is the most suitable size we have. We don't know how thick it's gonna be in this one. We don't have a smaller one. Alright guys, so we have greased our pan, so we're gonna empty our pone mixture inside now. So as you can see, we're not making a lot. I said if you guys want to double up the recipe, you can. And this size of pan here is just looks suitable for the thickness that you require for your pone. So we're gonna slide it into the oven now at 350 degrees, and this should take about 50 minutes to an hour or so. I'll give you the exact time it takes when it's done. So we're gonna pop this into the oven now. So there you go. So see you in a bit. Alright my friends, so we're gonna give a check on our pone right now. It's been about 40-45 minutes. And that's looking good already. Have that nice yellow color of the pumpkin. So this should be done now guys, so we're gonna check and see if it's with a toothpick. I'll see if it's clean. So there you go. So this is done. This is done guys. So we're gonna cut this and show you guys once it cools off a bit. So we've run our knife around the edges guys to loosen it up, as you can see. And so our pumpkin pone has cooled off guys, and we have ran our knife around the edges to loosen it up so we can get it out of the pan. So we're gonna go try getting it out now. So it's shaking, that's a good sign. Oops. There you go. Look at that. So look at how soft this is guys, look. See how soft that is here guys? So there we go guys, and look at that. Look how moist and juicy that is, soft. So that's it guys, that's it for our pumpkin pone recipe. If you like this video, please remember to give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, please do. Click the bell icon so you get notifications from us whenever we post new videos. Please share this video also. And as always, thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.